Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet prerequisites, a paid Apple developer account and a recent backup. Sign in to developer. Apple. Com with the same Apple ID on your Mac or iPhone. Once done, backup via iCloud or Finder and free at least 6 GB of space. This prevents failed installs. Make sure your device is charged to 50% or more and on stable Wi-Fi. Now open the developer beta page and choose the iOS 26 profile to begin enrollment. This is the first actionable step. You download and install the beta configuration profile next. After signing in on the developer portal, tap the iOS 26 beta profile link and accept the certificate prompt. This registers your device. Once the profile is marked downloaded in settings, tap install and follow the prompts, using your passcode when requested. Make sure to restart the device after installation so services register properly. Then go to Settings, General, Software Update. The iOS 26 developer beta should appear. Tap Download and Install to proceed. You complete the update by agreeing to terms and letting the installer run. Do not interrupt the device during reboot and allow additional app updates after boot. If the update fails, remove the beta profile in Settings, restart, then reinstall the profile and retry the update. This resolves most registration or certificate errors. Make sure to submit any issues using Feedback Assistant so Apple can track problems. If things go badly, use your backup to restore to your previous iOS and enroll again only when ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.